profession and 15 years akong nag-work. And then, USANA is my first business. I have no business background. I have no selling or marketing experience. But more than 10 years ago, a medical doctor introduced to me USANA. Wala akong idea. Hindi ako fan ng supplements. I don't take anything. Meron ba dito feeling mo you don't need it? Diba? Kasi ang mindset ko before, I don't need supplements, vitamins, kasi healthy naman ako. So my definition of healthy is absence of disease. Meron bang ganun pag walang sakit equals healthy. May ganun, no? So I think most of the people are ganun talaga mag-isip. So anyway, to make the long story short, it was introduced to me. Sobrang nagandahan ako sa products. I love the third-party certifications later that I will discuss. And then, nung ginagamit na namin yung product, naku, let me tell you, since day one, we met USANA until this very day, we're loving and taking the products. Right? So, and again, the backbone of any business is a very good product. Wala tayong magandang negosyo kung wala tayong magandang product. So, we're very blessed. Sa mga new associates, you're very blessed because you met USANA. O, di ba? So, winning with Cellsentials. Nakakatang twister ba? Parang Cellsentials. O, di ba? Okay, so let me start, no? Why are we here? Diba? Bakit ba natin pag-aaralan ng Cellsentials? So, most of us, majority po talaga na pumupunta sa USANA, we have really no idea of what is nutritionals, what is, how to share it, how to sell it. So we have no idea. But this platform or today, we will teach you on how confidently that you will share USANA. Paano ba talaga to sinishare? Paano ba siya sinisimulang i-introduce sa mga kilala ko? And of course, though, we have a system here in USANA wherein the auto-order is one USANA system that we can really avail the products at discounted price. Familiar ba kayo sa SM? Di ba ang SM lagi siyang every month naka-sale? Tama, no? Good news. Okay lang ba every month naka-sale sa inyo yung USANA products? Additional discount? So we have that here. It's one of our system here. Of course, no, and we will also teach you later, no, on how to also have your first milestone in USANA. So the question muna is, why we need to share our products? Kasi you are not out there naman parang lahat na lang, di ba? Parang lahat na lang ang goal mo is parang strike and shoot, di ba? Of course, you're doing it because you find value to it. You will not do something na hindi mo nakikita na you're adding value, right? So, these figures is parang very alarming, right? Imagine, no, 7 out of 10, according to DOH, Filipinos who die of degenerative diseases. First time niyo bang narinig yung degenerative? Ang ibig lang sabihin ng degenerative, this is damage over time. Damage over time. Okay, parang kumikislap-kislap yung slides natin. Okay. Ang ibig sabihin, and most often than not, the damage is irreversible. So just imagine if you are 30 years old, kamusta kaya yung damage mo for the last 30 years? Diba? So, naisip ko rin dati na wala akong nararamdaman. Okay naman ako, but at cellular level, I don't know. Diba? Hindi yung kumain ka ng ice cream kanina, bukas diabetic ka na. No, what is your lifestyle 10 years ago? Yan yung nararamdaman mo ngayon. What is your lifestyle 20 years ago? Yan yung nararamdaman mo ngayon. Ngayon, the question is, anong gusto mong pakiramdam in the next 20 years pag 50, 60 ka na? So what is your lifestyle today? Right? And look, Filipinos have mental health issues. 1 out of 5. Sabi ng DOH. So, ako nagulat ako dito. 1 out of 5. Sa 5 tao, may mental health issues. So, let's say sa mga bagets, kagaya ko, tama ba? Sa mga bagets, diba parang nauuso yan, like anxiety, depression, why? Kasi, marami ngayong mga child abuses, mga trauma, social media validation. So, ang dami nilang nafe-feel. Tama ba? Sa mga elders, ano yung mga mental issues like dementia, Alzheimer's, tama ba? Sa mga gitna na katulad natin, pag financial issue, mental talaga, nakakabaliw. Kidding aside, diba? Kasi we are the sandwich generation eh. So, sobra tong alarming kasi, of course, nutritionals plays a big role sa health. Hindi lang physical, also mental, right? Siyempre, may mga chemical reactions going on also, and nutritionals is a very good also to sustain that, di ba? Of course, finances side, imagine, no? Why do we need to share this? Maganda siyang i-business. Imagine, sabi dito ng NEDA, 120,000 per month ang dapat na income pag family of 4 to have a decent life. Ulitin ko decent life. O, i-calculate mo yung selda mo. Sabi mo, ouch, ganyan. Ouch. Anong tawag sa akin? Di ba? Sabi ko, Gabi, ito ba yung simpleng life? So, anong tawag sa akin dati? Sabi ko dati, kasi yung sweldo ko dati, hindi naman ganito. So, ang tawag sa akin, mas simple. Ayokong sabihing dukha. Sinong nakaka-relate? Tama, no? So, sinong nakakaabot dyan? Sa planta namin, mga Japanese expats lang. No Filipino employee. Sa planta namin, ang umaabot dito. So just imagine, di ba, if you have this kind of business, sharing Yusana, do you think we have a good business? To have an extra income? Of course! Di ba? And ayan, marami palang nagtitake ng dietary supplements. Ako hindi nga ako aware kasi parang feeling ko pare-pareho ko sila. So, eto lang yung natutunan ko. Pag meron kayong kinausap, huwag kayong ma-shock kung hindi niya agad nagigets yung gusto mong sabihin about health, about nutritionals, kasi marami talaga sa labas are unaware. Sabi niyo, unaware. Kaya huwag kayong magalit, kumalma kayo. Kumalma tayong lahat. Kasi ikaw, exposed ka na. You know about it, you've heard about it, you appreciate the benefit of Yusana, tumaas yung health awareness mo, and then here comes someone who na hindi naman na-appreciate yung sinasabi mo, okay lang. Because unaware nga eh. So, meron tayong kailangan gawin para ma-educate sila, right? Okay. So, let me introduce to you the brilliant mind behind Yusana. And he's a microbiologist. He's a immunologist. Diba? His name is Dr. Wenz. And I'm very, very inspired sa story niya. And he is someone, kaya very dedicated talaga siya because he knows. Nung nakita niya, siya mismo, nung binigyan siya ng supplement, wala pang Yusana, okay. Nung binigyan siya kasi stress na stress siya, nung chinek niya yung label, sobrang ang taas ng, nagulat siya, sabi niya, hindi naman ito yung mga ginagawa ko sa laboratory. Parang, why is this very inferior product? Doon nag-start yung kanyang passion para sa nutritionals. So, we're very thankful that Dr. Wenz discovered a powerful formulation for our cells. Tama? Okay. Pwede bang basahin natin ng sabay-sabay? Pero next time sa mga bago, okay lang bang by heart, kahit nakapikit, kayang basahin ng vision? Okay. Let's read in 3, 2, 1. I dream of a world free from the pain and suffering of degenerative disease. Share my vision, love life, and live it to its fullest in happiness and in health. Napaka-noble. Wala nga about business dyan eh. Share my vision. Konting trivia. Many years ago, when I attended Asia Pacific Convention in Singapore, the first time I saw Dr. Wenz live sa stage, Sabi ko, totoong tao siya. Grabe. Para siyang, alam mo, parang, di ba, Dr. Wen. Ito, open, di ba? So, sobra akong na-strike sa sinabi niya. Sabi niya doon, okay, listen na, ayos ng upo. Ayos ng upo. Yung upong, makikinig talaga tayo. Ayan, thank you very much. Sabi ni Dr. Wentz, I don't care about the business. Your goal, yung 2 tableta na yan, makarating yan sa bibig ng kausap mo. As simple as that. So, anong mindset niya? Sa sobrang ganda ng product, every single person, each family dapat may self-essential sa bahay. Tama? Kaya nga healthiest family, tama? O, palakpakan natin yon. Right? Kasi ang selfish naman natin, ang ganda ng product, ikaw lang ang may alam. Ayaw mong idaldal. Ngayon ka, may chance magpakamarites. Nalaka lang. So, ayan. The USANA difference. So, from the founder, we have 150 scientists working in our USANA manufacturing plant. And for a company investing in scientists, at hindi lang yan mga nutritionists or cellular nutrition lang yung alam nila, may medical profession dyan, meron dyan expert in genetics, microbiome, kung ano-ano. So, okay lang ba, 150 scientists? At ang nakakatuwa dyan, for me it signifies our business is very promising. Ask me why. Nag-i-innovate. Pag yung company, walang innovation, matakot ka. Yung product ngayon, yun pa rin yung product in the next 20 years. Nagbabago yung lifestyle. So sila, they're working on in the next 15 and 20 years of the products. Okay ba yun? Amazing! So yun yung amazing! Alright, and we have third-party certifications. Ito yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko. Kasi, madaling sabihin magandang USANA. Pero sino nagsabi? Si Chefs lang. Pero coming from a third-party certification, it means yung USANA, sinasubjecting sarili niya, sige, i-test nyo kami. Sige, i-test nyo kami. Sige, i-test nyo kami. And we are passing all of this. FDA, NSF, US Pharmacopeia, TGA, and Consumer Lab. Lahat yan. So, these are third-party. Clinical trials, we are investing in R&D. Guys, we are not just investing in-house R&D. In short, ang USANA may R&D, right? We are collaborating with outside R&D. Okay ba yun? O ito, nabasa ko lang to sa USANA Hub. USANA is collaborating with University of Boston. Pinag-aaral lang nila Proflavanol. Investing. Okay, USANA, Linus Pauling, ang pinag-aaral nila Nutrimil. So for a company, para mag-invest pa to a third party, di ba bongga yun? Okay. Number 1 supplement brand in the Philippines. Pinapalakpakan yan. Right? Kung ganyan yung business mo, di ba parang ang ganda? And again, Euromonitor is a third party. Inaaral nila yung market research, data analysis. Inaaral nila yung retail sa market. And sila nagsabi, number 1, for 5 consecutive years. 5 consecutive years. Bongga. And trusted by athletes. And for me, athletes are the most sensitive to take any supplements because puhunan nila is katawan nila. Never ever sila magte-take ng junk. Right? So the mere fact athletes are using it, so it's effective and safe. Alright? So, the power of Cellsentials. Pag-usapan natin ang flagship product ng company natin. Marami tayong range of products, but focus muna tayo sa Cellsentials. Okay. Okay ba dyan sa likod? Makakapasa kayo sa exam? Alright. Okay. May graded recitation tayo later. Okay? So, kung meron kayong hawak na cell essentials, mamaya sa mga bago dito, you just got the products, titigan mo siya later. Kasi i-validate mo later yung sasabihin ko, totoo ba yung mga nakita mo dyan? Because sa label ng cell essentials, again, it comes in 2 bottles, alright? Meron tayo dyang barcode. Nakalagay DR barcode label. So, drug registered home remedy. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Bakit tayo kakaiba? Bakit hindi tayo pwedeng i-compare sa mga go-go? Okay. Because pag sinabing drug registered, it is proven in efficacy. It is being tested. So yung nakikita nyo sa labas na let's say juice na piniga-piga, na binote, magpunta ka ng BFAD, FDA, sabihin mo this is the product. Sasabihin ng FDA, okay naman yan kasi safe naman yan. Galing naman talaga yan sa gulay eh. Okay yan. Question is it effective? Safe lang sila kasi gulay and prutas yun. Totoo naman, mas maganda pa rin yun sa French fries at corned beef. Naintindihan? Okay pa rin. But Usana, we are plant-based, diba? Minerals, antioxidants, and proven to have the treatment for vitamins and mineral deficiency. Proven. Anong gusto mong i-take? Yung proven o yung walang study? Yung hinulaan lang? Of course, health mo yan eh. Luluno ka ba ng kung ano-ano lang? Hindi, di ba? Next, our bottle has potency guaranteed, signed by Dr. Wentz. Hindi mo ilalagay ang pangalan mo kung hindi siya potent. Pag sinabing potent, what's on the label, you get it, at meron siyang power. Effective. Potent. Okay? So, marami sa labas, nakadeclare lang sa label. Question, na-absorb ba ng katawan mo? Okay. So, nung bago ako sa Usana, share ko lang, chinek ko yung label. Tapos napunta ako ng Watsons. Kinompare ko. Bakit ang Usana parating mas mababa yung weight compared sa Watsons? So, Watsons, ang tataas ng weight. Yung mga milligrams, parating mataas. Alright? Ay, tika lang. Sa next slide pa rin. Pero banggitin ko na. Ngayon, because Usana doesn't rely, don't compare Usana sa product sa labas na weight to weight. Because we are considering another factor which is absorption. Kaya don't compare. Lagi po talaga tayong mas mababa in terms of weight. Huwag ka na makipag-away. Okay ba yan? Tama ba? Okay. So that's how potent and absorbed we are. FDA registered, so inalis yung label na no approved therapeutic claim. Narinig natin sa commercial, di ba? Sino makakapagsabi ng line in Tagalog? Ang produktong ito ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit. I love it. Nang mabilis, di ba? So, it means that because it's been proven that we are effective and we are absorbed by the body, there's no need for this. Kasi ang nilalagyan lang ng ganito is walang basis ng study. Okay ba yon? Okay ba yon? Okay. And we have the patented intelligence technology. Sabi nyo nga, intelligence. O, para lang meron kayong trivia mababaon sa pangalan ng intelligence. Parang, ano ba yung intelligence? Okay. So that you know lang. Okay. In. In means innate. Sa loob, innate. Tama? Cells. Cells mo. Tama? Intelligence. Intelligence. In other words, matalino ang cells mo. Anong gusto mo? Hindi matalinong cells, matalinong cells. O, di ba dapat lumalak tayo ng product? intelligence, alright? So, we have a patent. Okay, so, I've attended like a product training in one of the conventions before about the intelligence. So, di ba yan na yung formulation natin, di ba? Alam nyo ba na ito ay trivia din. Gusto nyo trivia? Okay. Naalala ko lang kasi na yung intelligence, originally when USANA was introduced to the Philippines kasi is Essentials pa yung pangalan niya. So it's a different formulation. So right now, this is the upgraded one. Okay. Kasi nagkaroon sila ng aha moment about, we have one product here we call Hepasil. It's for digestive health. Okay. So some scientists ng USANA nagkaroon ng idea na, pag pala yung Hepasil pala, kasi it's for the liver, right? If you nourish pala your liver, pag maganda pala yung liver mo, ang byproduct mo, nagpo-produce ka rin pala ng glutathione. Okay. So nagkaroon ng idea yung USANA scientists na, our body can produce antioxidant. Is glutathione an antioxidant? Yes. Magtataka ka, wala dito kasi nga, kayang i-produce ng body mo. So, because of that technology, nag-explore sila na, yung cells natin kayang mag-produce ng sarili mong antioxidants. Okay ba yun? Nagpo-produce ka ng sarili mong antioxidants? O yun, gano'n siya ka-powerful. Right? So, eto, not all supplements are created equal. Yan din yung alam ko dati. So, nung pinipresentahan ako, sabi ko, kasi doktora, di ba, nagpe-present. Sabi ko, walang sasabihin tong pangit. Lahat ng sasabihin ni doktora maganda kasi binibentahan niya ako. Tama ba? Pero yan. So, these are the things na medyo edge ng Cellsentials. We are complete. Okay. So, in short, kung nagtitake ka ng vitamin C, di ba parang okay naman yon, but you are not made up of just vitamin C alone, di ba? So kulang ka pa ng 38, and 37 nutrients. So we have complete because yung cells mo, di ba yung iba, hindi, kasi okay na ako sa vitamin C, kasi okay na ako sa vitamin E. No, there's so many chemical reactions going on inside your body, and they need all the elements para mag-function siya very well. So, we have the complete. Actually, very comprehensive talaga yung content natin kasi wala kang makikita sa market na 11 powerful antioxidants, 16 complete vitamins, and 11 chelated minerals. 38 yan lahat. Kung meron kang alam, magpunta ka sa akin kasi nilagok ko na lahat. Wala talagang 38. So we are getting this. Now, eto yung formulation. So in short, if you're investing on something na dalawa lang yung nutrients, sayang naman. Kasi nag-i-invest ka na rin lang, ikumpleto mo na. Right? Number 2, balance. The nutrients work together. In other words, may barkada talaga ang mga nutrients. Akala mo ikaw lang Kunyari, ito si calcium. Hindi siya sige, tumayo ka dito. Si calcium. Akala mo ba, mag-work siya alone? Hindi pa mag-function. Kung wala si boron. Another one, vitamin D3. Another one, magnesium. Isa pa, silicon. Dito ka, silicon. So in short, magpa-function ba to? No. USANA was able to detect that lahat ito barkada. Pagdating sa cells, they work together. Tama? Okay. Sige. Thank you for participating. So on and so forth. May barkada sila. Tama? Hindi lang ikaw. Okay. Of course, no, yung balance din, meron ba ditong mga chemist, chemical engineer? Ayun, okay. Meron kaming subject na analytical chem. Alam niyo ba, okay, pag sinabing balance, the more decimal places, example, 10.0001, mas mahabang decimal places, mas exact ang formulation. Exact yun. Kumbaga, it was really the optimal amount, form, and balance. Ika nga sa chemistry. Okay. But look into the other products. Check mo. Naka-whole number sila. 5 grams, 2 grams. Yusana, no, 27.43. Micrograms pa nga eh. So, in a scientific point of view, it's really very exact and balanced. Okay? Hindi yan hinulaan. By the moon and by the stars. O ganyan siya. Okay. Potent. Again, yung potent, what's on the label, you get it. Kasi madaming dinideclare, but, you know, they are just fillers. Diba? Naririnig niyo yan? Totoo naman yon. Because it's business. But you sana, no, Dr. Wenz talaga nagsabi na it's potent. Bioavailable, ito yung sinasabi kong absorbed by the body. And we have the highest absorption talaga. So again, don't compare weight to weight. You cannot compare Yusana, label to label, weight to weight. Lagi tayong mas mababa because we have the highest absorption. 100 milligrams nga sila, eh kung 10 milligrams lang naman yung absorbed by the body. Pero Yusana is 50, pero 47. Alam niyo yun? Okay. So, safe. Chefs, paano malalaman na safe yung product? Simple. Third-party certification. That's the only way. Pero ang Yusana ba, sobrang dami ng third-party certifications? Yes. Safe. Kung yung product, wala man lang third-party certifications ng mga caliber ng consumerlove.com, di ba? O, bakit mo siya iinumin? So dati, nagkaroon ako ng mindset, talaga ba? May vitamins ba na unsafe? Meron bang vitamins na mag-accumulate ng potential toxicity habang iniinom mo? Yes, kasi it matters yung formulation, tama? So, kaya marami sa labas, walang bilid. Kasi nga, hindi nila alam ang Yusana. Right? So, hindi siya pare-pareho. Now, what's in the bottle? Yan, what's inside? Again, no, originally, nung nirelease ang Yusana 1992, it was 3 bottles. 3 bottles. So, yung antioxidants is a different bottle, vitamins, minerals, di ba? But because of the technology, di ba? So, we already have 2 bottles na lang with vitamins and minerals and antioxidants. And these are the nutrients na, again, based on study. Right? So, again, intelligence technology. So, ano yung intelligence technology na yan? So, itong QR code na to, wait lang, ayan. Okay. So, gusto nyo i-scan? Sige nga. Get your phones. Actually, kapag meron kang kausap, may data ka. Na-learn ko kay sir. Okay. So, ano yung QR code na yan? So, this is a patent number na very powerful yung statement niya. Basahin ko na, a nutritional supplement for an adult human for supporting endogenous systems associated with increasing lifespan. So this is a very powerful word kasi we can claim it. We can claim it kasi nakapatent. Hindi ito yung kasi sinabi mo lang just because. We can claim it. Na nakakahaba siya ng buhay. Diba? Yung formulation niya can, alam mo yung parang yung damage mo, hindi naman sa hindi ka mamamatay, diba? But yung damage ng cells mo, nape-prevent yung premature aging ng cells mo. Do we want a quality of life? Yung 60, 70, 80 na you're still doing well? Hindi ka in and out of the hospital? Do we want that? Of course. So yung premature aging ng cells, natutulungan tayo ng Yusana. Meron siyang sinabi, endogenous systems. Kasi nga, yung cells mo are smarter. They communicate each other because of the formulation. Our body is very smart. It can heal itself. Kaya lang, alam mo yung parang ito yung katawan mo, it's the machine, di ba? Would you agree that this is the most abused machine in the world? Your body? So, paano siya magfa-function kung hindi mo siya binibigyan ng raw materials? Anong gagamitin niya? So many people would say, Chefs, kumakain naman ako. I mean, healthy food, di ba? Hindi naman ako nagkakasakit. Okay, so here's the deal. Yes, because of the food, you are functioning. Functioning, energy. Kaya ka nakakalakad, nakakabuhat ng ganito, energy. But damage inside cellular level, no, it is through micronutrients. Hindi siya kayang ibigay ng pagkain. Right? So you can function. So, Chefs, kumakain naman ako, okay naman ako. Sino ba naman na hindi okay kapag hindi ka kumain, malalambot ka talaga? Because it provides energy. But cellular nutrition, no. We need USANA. Right? And not just nutritionals. You need nutritionals that can help your cells to be smarter. Gusto mo ba yun? Guys, kung ayaw mong uminom, okay lang. Hindi to para sa'yo. Para to sa cells mo. Ayaw mo wag. Sa cells mo lang to. Gets? Sabihin mo, cells, are you ready? Sabihin mo, cells, are you ready? Oh, hindi to para sa'yo. Kung ayaw mo lumunok, wag. Pero sa cells mo to. Okay. So, di ba? So, most people would ask, bakit ba 2 tablets, yung USANA, o di ba? So, again, originally, it was three bottles. Pero combined, kasi as per study, hindi pwede palang pagsamahin in preparation. In preparation lang naman, di ba? Kasi syempre may technology yan. Yung vitamins and minerals, because they cancel each other. So, again, this is a technology. When you say cancel each other, so siguro mukha siyang isipin mo lang na mukha siyang magnet. Pag pinagsama mo, they cannot combine. So, kailangan talaga silang paghiwalayin permanently, di ba? But, pag nilunok mo, when you swallow it, they synergize. Doon sila nag-meet inside. Naintindihan? Okay. And, of course, okay lang naman gawin ni Dr. Wentz yan. Explore niya isang tableta, pero kaya mo bang lumunok ng size ng golf ball? Siyempre, tinulungan kayo ni Dr. Wentz na hindi. Tama? So, 2 yan. And then, dosage. Let's talk about the dosage of Cell Essentials. Okay. The minimum is 2 pairs a day. So, 1 pair morning, 1 pair at night. Diba? So, ano yung optimal dose? Ano yan? Bakit may ganyan? Bakit 4 pairs per day? Okay. Narinig niyo kanina yung degenerative disease? Okay. Pwede ka namang mag-minimal dose. But if you are operating at an optimal dose, imagine mo na mayroon siyang hinahabol, di ba? For example, ako, nung na-meet ko ang USANA, I was 36 years old. Ako, nag-compute na kayo ng age, okay? 48, sige, 48 na ako. Okay, 36. Okay. 36 years old. Never akong nag-take ng vitamins. Okay. When I saw USANA, so sabi ko, I think I need 4 pairs. Kasi alam mo yung hahabulin niya, yung years na I am unhealthy. Hahabulin niya yung years na damage na yung cells ko. So I want to repair faster. I want to be nourished faster. Right? So, ikaw, ano bang lifestyle mo? Ikaw makakapagsabi. Ako kasi, nakaharap ako sa cyanide. 12 years. Lahat po ng elements sa periodic table, name it. Sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide, hexavalent chrome. Lahat yan nalanghap ko, na skin contact ko. So I don't know what's going on inside my body. So gusto kong habulin yon. Alright? So I need 4 pairs. Ama? Sino magpo 4 pairs dito kasi yung lifestyle mo ang pangit? Lahat tayo. Lahat tayo. Diba? Okay. Yun siya. Okay, 4 pairs. Again, minimum, listen, ayos ng upo, listen, ayos ng upo, ayan. Minimum is 2 pairs, okay? Ang nasa label natin is, 4 pairs. Okay, next po. Okay. When you take Usana, so, pwede nyo bang i-take note tong website na to? AskTheScientist.com. Okay. So, puntahan natin yan. Because as per study, yung nutritional support na mabibigay sa atin ng Cellsentia, sobrang dami, guys. Immune support, cardiovascular health, skin and nails, your brain, your thyroid, your cell health and integrity, your brain health, your liver, your metabolism and energy. Lahat yan covered ng Usana Cellsentials. Right? Okay. But, ito kasi yung mafe-feel natin immediately. Okay. Yung ibang tao, 1 to 5, feel agad. Diba? Yung iba dyan, isa lang. Ako dyan, yung 2 and 3. Kasi nung na-meet ko talaga ang Usana, I have my 3-year-old son, nagigising ako sa madaling araw para magtimpla ng milk. So, nai-interrupt yung sleep ko parate. Paggising ko ng umaga, alam mo yung lutang ka, sakit ng ulo mo. So, when I take talaga the Cellsentials, magtitimpla ng dede, sleep agad. Paggising ko, I'm fine. Okay ako, hindi mo sakit yung ulo ko, may energy ako. Sabi ko, okay to Tapos yung bowel movement ko, as in, okay lang bang pag-usapan ng konti? Okay. Just to share lang, okay. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit ako constipated. Siguro after my CS operation, baka hindi nabalik yung mga intestines ng tao. Natawa si sir, okay. So sabi ko, hindi pa ako everyday na nag-move. Diba if you don't move everyday, parang ang bigat. Tama ba? Parang, alam mo yung parang, wala lang, parang bloated na hindi mo maintindihan, hindi mo alam kung mababanyo ka o hindi. But when I take Cellsentials, ang first ko talagang na is the bowel movement, minimum talaga 2 times a day. Okay ba yun? Dapat ilabas ang waste. Sabi nga sa study, kung 3 beses kang kumakain, dapat 3 beses din nag-move. That's the ideal. So magtaka ka, kung 3 beses kang kumakain and you just move once every other day, you have a problem talaga. You have to, and we have to really let it out. We do not need to accumulate the waste. Diba? Siya ay toxin. Right? And at yun, nagsa-start yung mga colon cancers, right? So, yung bowel movement, simple lang yan, pero it addresses many concerns sa mga Filipino. Marami ba kayong mga kilala na pwede din mag-benefit sa lahat ng to? Oo naman. So, later on, so pag-usapan natin. And of course, now that you are in Usana, di ba yung mind mo, shucks, paano ko ba i-introduce ang Usana Cellsentia sa kausap ko? Hindi naman ako maboka. Tama ba? Hindi ako pala kausap ng tao. Hindi ako marunong magbenta. May mga ganon. Pero let me ask you, marunong ka bang magkwento? Mag-marites? Okay lang ba? Chismis natin si Cesar. Okay. Sa totoo lang, ako din, it was one of my fear. Kasi I'm not really exposed to business. Pero once na you love taking the product, na uma-attend ka sa mga training na to, alam mo yung meron ka ng know-how, parang ang hirap magpigil na hindi talaga ikwento. Guys, you just really need to share your Cellsentials story. Okay lang ba sa mga bago? You take the products. Tama? Tapos, observe mo to. Okay? And then, yun lang yung ikwento mo. Hindi mo kailangan mag-hard sell. Hindi mo kailangan na, alam mo ba yung intelligence technology? Ano? Kunyari si Aaron. Kunyari si Aaron, alam mo ba Aaron, yung intelligence technology, di ba? Innate, cells, intelligence. Wag ganon. We will start by sharing your personal Cellsential story. Kasi story mo yan. Ikaw ang naka-feel. And there is really power in word of mouth. Kasi ikaw yung naka-feel. I mean, itataya mo yung pangalan mo kasi ikaw naka-experience yan. Fred, naramdaman ko talaga yan. Di ba ikaw puyat ka? Grabe. Di ba? Di ba like ang OT? Di ba lobat ka na sa hapon? Try mo. Di ba? So, lahat tayo dapat may Cellsential story. Okay? Umiikot lang sa ganito. Kasi it doesn't have to be so heavy to share you sana. You don't need yung mga facts kanina na sabihin right away, what is you sana? Just share your story. Okay lang ba yon? Okay. Now, di ba once you share the product, we have the tendency na makabenta lang, di ba ganon? But we want to keep our customers. We want them to be loyal to you sana and loyal to you. So very powerful na we have a follow-up system. Sabihin niyo follow-up. Kasi baka mamaya, nung binigay ko kay Aaron yung Cellsentials today, balikan ko na lang siya ng 30 days. Aaron, ubos na, di ba? Ubos na. Ano, order ka na ba? Order na. Sige, Gcash mo na lang. Grabe, di ba? Parang, okay, we don't want that. So remember, your users should have, ma-feel niya yung customer experience mo ba? Tama ba? And once you keep that relationship, yung ma-feel niya, grabe naman, nangumusta talaga kung ininom ko na, binuksan ka. Hello, Aaron. Nabuksan mo na. After one day, Aaron, nabuksan mo. Oo nga, yung blue-white yon, white, oo, tama. Yung yellow yon, oo, yellow. Oo nga, oo. Basta hindi ka marunong lumanok, tuturuan kitang lumanok. Oo, ganito lang. Okay. Kailangan mong sabihin. Diba? Fourth day. Bakit may ganito, no? Later on, I explain. Fourth day. Oh, na-feel mo ba? Okay na yung sleep mo. Na-feel mo ba yung bowel movement mo? Anong mga na-feel mo? Kasi why? Alam mo yung maraming mga tao na hindi na nila nagiging aware. Sa dami lang iniisip, sa sobrang kakabisihan, parang, nga, tama nga, Chips. Nga, tama nga. Yun nga, na-feel ko nga yan. Tama ka. Yun nga. O, diba? You have to catch them when they felt something. Kasi, balikan mo yan ng 30 days. Aaron, na-feel mo, ang ganda ng tulog mo. Ang ganda ganyan. Sabihin ni Aaron, parang pareho lang naman. Same. So you want them na sila mismo, ma-feel nila, and then you catch them na, yeah, oo nga, tama, pati yung skin ko, ang daming kasabi, I'm glowing. Sana all, okay. 7th day, okay. Kasi, sa sobrang ganda ng Usana, it's very potent, absorbed by the body. Believe me, in a week, you can really feel something. So, kailangan nating mangumusta. Ano ba naman kukumustahin mo lang? Right? Again, no, these are your potential users, and malay mo, eventually, they can also become your potential business partners. Eh what if hindi ka ganun nangungumusta, iba ang nangumusta? Ay, alam mo, hindi naman niya kasi, wala naman kasi siyang, hindi na niya ako tinawagan ever. Parang binentahan lang naman niya ako, tapos wala na siya. Guys, di ba? So, we have our role. Kasi, wala namang customer service si Yusana para i-cater sa lahat. Tayo yun. It's part of our business. Okay lang ba yun? Kahit naman mag-ibang negosyo ka di ba? Kukumusta mo yung mga clients mo? You will still do the same. It's not unique to Yusana. Even if you have other businesses, you will still do it. Tama? So okay lang ba? Medyo kumustahin talaga natin. Baka mamaya, hindi ko pa nabubuksan, Cheps. Hala? Buksan mo na. Puntahan ko. Nasa Dubai pa lang, ganyan na, US. You have, bakit? Buksan mo na yan. Kailangan mo na yan. Kailangan yan ng mami mo, ganyan. So, may ganong effort. Diba? It's part of our business. Sabi niyo, part of business. Okay, next. Are you learning? So, remember nyo lang, no, how to share Cellsentials. So, mortal sin ang hindi nagtitake ng product. Okay lang ba mag-4 pairs? Para kitang-kita talaga sa energy mo, sa itsura mo na nag-yuyusana ka. Hindi yung pag sinabi na ni Aaron, di ba? Grabe yung Yusana. Grabe yung energy ko. And then si Aaron, pagod na. Oras uwi Pagod ako ngayon. So you have to feel the product. Tama? Tapos skin mo. Diba? Tapos nagsisipo na lahat yung mga office mate mo. Ikaw parang, okay ka pa rin. Parang grabe, Aaron. Ano meron? Di ba? So, lahat tayo, we should be the product of our own product. It's very unethical. Ulitin ko. Very unethical. You promote something that you don't use. Oo, bato-bato. Salangit, okay. Okay, next. And then, you have to observe yourself, diba? Kasi that's your Cellsential story And then, kung wala ka talaga na-feel pa, Coach, parang wala naman talaga akong na-feel. The same. Kaya nga, within your team, gather stories. Kasi again, ganito yan. Hindi porket wala kang naramdaman, hindi effective sa'yo. Diba? Ay, kasi baka hindi effective sa akin. No! Ganito yan. Yung product ng Cellsentials, okay, ito yung mindset. Okay, listen. Ayos ng upo ulit. Ayos ng upo. Okay. The mindset is, there's nothing wrong in the product. Okay. Every one of us, each of us, we have our own toxicity level. Iba-iba tayo. Baka ako nga parang inayos na yung digestive ko muna, ikaw talaga, yung skin mo, ikaw, yung energy mo, ikaw, iba-iba tayo. So there's nothing wrong with the product. Now, kung wala kang naramdaman, good for you. Kung but, alam mo yan, baka yung immunity defense mo, which it will take time naman yun di ba? So baka nandun ka sa immunity defense. Right? So, in short, meron yan. Kasi long-term naman ang Yusana, hindi naman to magic. It's just that, highlight lang natin yung immediate effects kasi yan yung pinakamadaling ikwento. Eventually, let's say ikaw, you're taking something, pero disclaimer, di ba, hindi mo siya nakakagaling. Hindi to gamot. Pero eventually, yung 5 medications ko, like, I have one associate. So, I introduce Yusana to him. He's a hyperthyroidism, 9 maintenances, subject for radiation. When I introduced Yusana, naka-optimal dose siya with Cellsentials and some optimizers. 3 months of taking it, nag-reduce yung yung size ng thyroid. After 1 year, 9 medications down to 2. No need for radiation. 2018, up to this very day, it's been 6 years, tama ba? No need for radiation. After 2 years, no more medications. Only USANA. Right? So that's his story. Diba? So, ito lang kasi is immediate effects, diba? And borrow the story kasi makukwento mo. Diba? And, again yan, you know how to deliver your story. Hindi naman yung inabot na kayo ng 3 oras. Yung grabe naman. Ang tagal naman. Magkwento. Okay. So, later on, pag-usapan natin. So, meron tayong workshop later. Next. Okay. Siyempre naman, di ba, we have, hindi mo naman agad talaga i-attack yung person o susunggaban siya na sell essentials agad, di ba? You don't do it. Kahit naman anong klaseng transactions yan. Very important pa rin yung rapport, di ba? Yung get to know that person, anong ginagawa niya. Kasi di ba, doon mo i-connect eh. Kailangan niya ng product. Di ba? Okay. So, para ma-bridge mo yung Cell Essentials, and doon ka palang pwedeng mag-edify ng Cell Essentials. So, how to do it? How to establish rapport. Okay. Diba meron tayong dito? Hindi talaga ako pala kausap ng mga tao. Oh guys, ganito yan. Skills can be learned. Tama? Ngayon, kasi ayokong matuto eh. Kung ayaw mo matuto, hindi ka growth mindset. And if you are not growth mindset, how can you survive sa world na to? So you need to learn. You need to adapt. Natututunan siya. Huwag mong idikahon yung sarili mo. Tama ba? Learn tayo. So how to establish rapport? So lahat ng yan. Pero ang common denominator lang talaga is just really know the person. How can you connect? Kung hindi mo alam, ay, okay, breadwinner pala to. Nasa kanya pala yung mga magulang niya. Pag nagkasakit ang mga magulang, oh no, walang backup. May mga ganon, di ba? So, this is really the background of that person. Okay? And then, if you bridge Cell Essentials, ililid mo lang naman yung conversation sa health eh. For example, nasa IT ka. So, anong schedule mo? Like ka bang overtime o night shift? Night shift. Grabe, so like ang puyat, ganyan. So, kumusta yung tulog mo? Kumusta? Wala ka bang nade-develop? Kasi ang dami kong mga kilala. Alam mo yung alalabo na ng mata nila, may migraine sila, may acid reflux sila, kasi yung kape ginagawang, di ba mga ganon? Ibinibridge mo lang na lahat ng learnings mo towards health. Di ba? Kasi nga maraming tao unaware. So, edify lang yung Cell Essentials and share your experience. Di ba? And then, ayan, pwede mo nang i-offer ang USANA. Okay.